Earlier we posted a video about a delivery captain asking me about a clicking noise coming from under the aft stateroom bunk. He lifted the mattress and was looking at all of the steering equipment and said that he heard the clicking noise coming from the rudder area. And I answered him back asking if they had SPURS line cutters on it, and if they did, chances are that the SPURS were missing the rubber or nylon shock absorbers. You can see the SPURS line cutter system right here. This piece moves about 1 inch, see the size of my finger, moves about 1 inch so that this will cut the line across a missing piece right here. But the thing making the noise is the nylon shock absorber that goes in there, and that nylon shock absorber is missing. So stand by while I grab the propeller and try to twist it back and forth, and you can hear the clicking or the thumping noise. So imagine hearing that when the propellers are turning at idle speed. If the engine's turned about 600 RPMs and a 2-to-1 reduction transmission, make these guys here turn about 300 RPMs or maybe even slower at 250 RPMs. That's where you heard the click, 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 click noise. So these are being serviced. This part has been ordered. The shock absorber, the nylon shock absorber, has been ordered. And also there will be a zinc. Just like you have a zinc on your propeller shaft, there will be a zinc that adds up here. Another thing I want to point out to you is this propeller's got a ding in it right here. See the ding? So this blade might be a little bit out of balance, or maybe all 4 blades are out of balance. So this propeller should be removed and sent to the prop shop. And last thing, you may not be able to read it upside down, but that says 30L25. So it's a 30 left-hand 25. So the 30 and the 25 are the diameter and the pitch of the propeller blades. So when you own a boat, you want to know what size propellers you have. Left hand rotating on the port engine, starboard rotating on the starboard engine. Start building up your spare parts inventory. If you don't buy extra propellers, which are heavy and a lot of money, at least you'll know the size. So if you bang it up severely, you can order another one before the boat gets to the boatyard. If you want to learn more about boating, you know who to call. Ask Captain Chris.